Hello everyone, and thank you for taking the time to check out my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make Reese's peanut butter cup covered almonds. It's very simple really. All you're really going to need is some form of Reese's peanut butter cup. Here I have Reese's peanut butter pumpkins. Those will work just fine for what we're going to be doing here. Now the basic idea is you're going to take the peanut butter cups that you have, melt them in the microwave, get the peanut butter and the chocolate mixed together really well. You don't want to overdo that. Maybe play around with it. 30 seconds in the microwave. Could be less, could be more. Just play around with it. Then I have some almonds here. Obviously, you're going to need them. Then you're going to need a little bit of wax paper. Now, what that is for is after you get these melted, and then obviously you're going to take the almonds or whatever kind of nut that you have, go ahead and roll it around in that mixture, and you're going to want to put these on the wax paper. Now you can keep the whatever nut you use, you can keep them in clumps, or you could set them on there individually. I'm going to do clumps and wait for them to cool, and then you enjoy. You're going to notice my Christmas tree in the background, guys. 'Tis the season. Okay, let's go ahead and get these ready to go. First things first, open these up. I don't know if 3 is going to be enough for what I'm doing here, but that's what I'm going to start out with. Here's a third one. You know what, guys? We're going to do 2 to 3 more. All right, here we go. All right, guys, I got them all in the bowl here. I'm going to go ahead and get these melted up in the microwave. Like I said, you're going to want to play around with the time there. Don't overdo it, and we'll go ahead and move on from there. Alright guys, I had them in for almost a minute, and for 6, that's about where I got them. I'm going to mix all of that peanut butter and chocolate together as best as I can. That's about where I'm going to have it. Almost looks like chocolate cake batter. And for this, guys, I am using unsalted almonds. We're going to go ahead and dump the whole thing in there. And then just go ahead and move them around, get them pretty evenly coated. There you go, that's easy enough. Then we're going to decide how big of these clusters we want to do. And I think I'm going to do about a spoonful each. Go ahead and use another spoon to get that scraped off nice. Alright, there's one. There's 2, a little bit smaller on that one. 3, 4, got a 5th one over there, and then one more smaller one. Okay guys, now you can let these chill at room temperature. It's going to take forever, probably. So, I'm going to take the wax paper that I have here, try to get it onto a plate, and then I'm going to go ahead and let these chill in the refrigerator. Alright guys, and here they are, Reese's almond clusters. I had them in the freezer, actually. I didn't put them in the refrigerator. I wanted to speed this process up a little bit. I put them in the freezer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Took them off of the wax paper, and here they are. Now, these are going to be great for the holidays, and for the sake of the video, I will go ahead and try one of these babies out. That is delicious, guys. Go ahead and make some of these to set out for your family members around the holiday season. It would be a great gift for any peanut butter and chocolate lover. Well, it's very simple, guys. There it is. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Please take a second, like this video, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos, and as always, you guys have a great day.